Classic maple mustard chicken tray bake. For a perfect family dinner, you can't beat a classic tray bake. This one combines maple flavoured syrup, whole grain mustard, a pack of roasting vegetables, chicken breast fillets and Brussels sprouts, plus it's ready in just 30 minutes. To get started, preheat the oven to 210 degrees Celsius. Line a baking tray with baking paper. Mix the maple flavoured syrup and whole grain mustard together in a small jug. You'll need to chop the Coles roasting vegetables into smaller 2cm pieces. This helps them to cook faster. Add the vegetables to the tray and then drizzle with half the maple syrup mixture and give them a good toss to evenly coat. Roast for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, cut 3 deep slits into the chicken breast fillets. This will help the heat penetrate the chicken so it cooks more quickly. You can even spray the chicken with a little olive oil spray to prevent it from sticking to the pan. Season and cook in a hot non-stick frying pan for 2.5 minutes each side. You just want to get some golden brown colour on the chicken and kickstart that cooking process. Arrange the chicken on top of the vegetables and drizzle with the remaining maple syrup mixture. Roast for another 10 minutes. To finish the tray bake, add the Brussels sprouts to the tray and keep roasting for another 10 minutes. The tray bake is ready when the chicken is cooked through and the vegetables are tender. Make this healthy veggie pack tray bake your new family favourite. For an easy meat-free twist, simply swap the chicken for plant-based sausages. For the full recipe, see the description below. For more 5-ingredient dinners, head to our What's for Dinner playlist here.